Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Daryl Thompson. We're continuing our series on the EGW Writings 2 app on the iPad and learning how to use all the different features that the app has to offer. We're going to look at, in particular, how to change the font size within my reader. If you look here on my home screen and you want to jump directly into the reader, the quickest way is just tap on my library, and you can see right here on the screen that the font is the traditional San Francisco font. But you might say, well, that's a little small. My eyes are failing me a little bit and I want to make it bigger. Well, that's the great thing between having, say, an iPad and a traditional printed book. On a printed book, you can't increase the font size. You're stuck with it. But not so in this app. You can come along here and you notice down on the iPad on the right-hand menu, you see Reader. And within Reader, you've got your font, which you can change. But here you've got font size. Now, beside font size, it tells you what the current size is, and it's size 26. But you have a range between size 16 and size 72. 16 being small, and let's have a look what it looks like. So you can see how small the text is here, and let's move it along. So back to 26. Jumping up to 34, 42, 58, 68, and all the way to 72. Now, you notice how large the font size 72 is. But that is there if you're having difficulty seeing. Maybe you don't want to, use your glasses, so you can take your glasses off and you can read the text without having to wear your glasses if you want to make it big. So you can scroll through gently here and read through your text. Now, if that is annoying, not a problem. You just tap here, go back to the side menu settings, and slide it back to a size that you're comfortable with. Choose the font size and the font that you prefer. Set up your reader to be that way, and now that becomes the default for the reader. So I hope this little tip on changing the font size has been useful. Don't forget, don't stick with what we've chosen to be the default. You can customize to your heart's content how the reader looks, the colors, the fonts, the sizes, the layout. The choice is yours. Just remember, play with it a little bit, set it to how you're happy with it, and then set it. And if you after a while get bored with it, change it up again. Okay, so I hope this little tutorial on font sizes has been beneficial. May you always go with God and be blessed. Have a nice day.